Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes. I hope all of you have taken nice food, but don't sleep. Be alert, okay? And take down then and there. This is a topic on arithmetic progression. Let us just recall what we have seen in the last class. Sequence number patterns. So sequence means say you can have numbers like it may be odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 etc. They are called sequence where the difference is same, common difference, or you can have 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. set of even numbers is odd numbers. This you already seen, is it not? And also you have seen what is called as arithmetic progression, where there is a regular gradation. If the difference between the two numbers is same, suppose you have 7, 14, 21, 28 etc. Here what is the first term? A, that you keep it as it is. Difference between second and first is equal to third and second is equal to fourth and third. So that must be common. That is what is called as common difference. So there is a regular gradation. It may be increasing or it may be decreasing also. Followed? That series of numbers is called, or that sequence of numbers is called arithmetic progression. Also you have seen a formula, general term Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D, where you have numbers like A1, A2, A3 etc. So lastly you will have general term An. You can take as T1, T2, T3 also. What is A here? First term. What is N? Number of terms. What is D? Common difference. Okay. This is a thing already studied. One more formula we studied. Sum of the first n terms of an AP. Sn you call it. S means sum. This is total, this is sum. N by 2 to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this you can write it also as Sn equals, if the first number and last number are known, n by 2 into a plus l also can write. Where is a called first number, l is called last number. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Who gave this formula? Yesterday I told, no? Louis Gauss, a German mathematician, who was asked in the class, who will find the product of 1 to 100, find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 100. Within seconds he told, by using another formula called as n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the consecutive numbers. Suppose you have 100, n is 100, 100 into 101 by 2. Is it not? So that's the answer he gave. So with this previous knowledge, we will come to the home assignment. Find the sum of first 15 terms of a following AP. First you must check whether it is in AP or not. See what is the difference here? 5 here, 5 here also, 5 here also 5. So difference is same. We call it as D. So first number is 11, common difference is minus 5, and number of terms they are asking n. So what is the formula? Sn equals this formula to use because there is no last term is not known. So, use this formula. You can write it as n is how much? 15 by 2, 2 into a is how much? 11, then n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d minus 5. So, that comes to 15 by 2 into 22, 14 into minus 5, 14 into minus 5, how much it becomes? 14 5s are, how much? Anybody? 14 5s are is 70 and what is the sign? Minus 70. Are you following it or not? This is 14 into minus 5, that is minus 70, that is equal to 15 by 2 into this is 10 minus 2 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 2 1s are 2, 24s are 24 into 15, 15 4s are 60, 30 plus 6 and minus. So, answer is sum of 15 terms is equal to minus 360. All of you can do it now. So simple, so interesting, right? Okay, now we will come to second question. Sum is Sn is equal to minus 360. Second question, how many terms of the AP 25, 28, 31, 34 are needed? How many terms they are asking? They are given the sum. Here A is given. How much A? First number is 25. Sn is given 1070. They are asking n. How to find out that? Take the formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 1070 is Sn, is it not? So Sn is equal to 1070 into n by 2 into 2a. A is how much? 25. N minus 1 into 3. So bring this to this side. You get 2 7s are 14, 3140 is equal to, this will be 50 into n and this will be 3n, 3n minus 3, 3n minus 3 into n here outside. So this is 50n, 3n into n, 3n square minus 3n. So 50n minus 3n becomes how much? So we will write it first like this. That is called standard form of the equation. 3n square, 50n minus 3n becomes 47n, 2140. So this is 2140. So here it will be 210 into 4, 3, 3 into 0, 3 into 4 are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 2s are 6 minus. So if you find the factors, you will get it as 60n plus 107n minus 2140 is equal to 0. minus 60 plus 107. Now here you take common factor 3n, n minus 20, 107, take common factor n minus 20 is equal to 0. So n minus 20 into, I let that side. So you have n minus 20 into 3n plus 107 is equal to 0. Are you following? You may ask how you got these factors. You might go on dividing by 2 or prime factors, then you get that. Okay, you know it already. So here n minus 20 is equal to 0 gives n equals 20. So number of terms is equal to 20, or you can get it also as 3n is equal to minus 107 and n is equal to minus 107 by 3, which is a fraction and it is not taken into consideration. So therefore number of terms, how much, is equal to 20. You can check if you want. Go on writing the terms from here, 20 terms. You get the answer as 1070. Okay. So note down. Very happy. We will go to next sum. So number of terms is equal to n equals 20. So next problem, find the following sum. This is called series. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 118. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3. How do you got 3? Difference of 4 and 1, difference of 7 and 4, is all 3. They are asking Sn, sum of the terms. So here first you must find out Tn. The last term is 118. A is 1 plus, because you must know how many terms are there, you don't know. So if you just multiply, this will be 118 is equal to 1 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3, and this 3n is equal to 118 plus 1 come this side, minus 1, minus 3 brought this side, plus 3. So 121 minus 1 becomes 120. So 3n equal to 120, n equals 120 by 3. It is 40 you get. So you have 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. It becomes 119. So make a small change, 119. And if you multiply, you get it as 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 2380 is the answer. So sum will be equal to 2380. Is it alright? Okay, shall we pass on next sum? Very nice. We will pass on to next sum. Topics for today. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. From 1 and 1000 divisible by 5. Can you name the numbers? Divisible by 5. Come on, first one 5, then second one 10, third 15, like that. So starting number will be divisible by 5. First number is 5, last number is 995. So when you they are asking sum, so you have to use the formula. So plus 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 you must write So formula is, here A first term is 5, last term is 995. So here you have to use the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D, because we do not know n, is it not? So first you will find out that. So here first number is 5 plus n minus 1, you do not know, into D, D is 5. So Tn is last term, so 995. This will be equal to 995 is equal to 5 plus 5n minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 cancels. So 5n is equal to 995, n is equal to 995 by 5, that is 19, 5 19 za, 5 1 za 5, 4 remains 49, 5 9 za and 9 za, 199 you get. That means 199 multiples of 5 will be there between 1000. So starting is 5, then comes 10, then 15, like that it comes. So 5 natural numbers means 10, yes 10 also comes, 10 plus 15 like that, you will have 199 numbers. Take it here. So n is 199 by 2, into first one is 5, last one is 995. So you have 199 by 2 into 1000. 2 ones are 2 500s are. So 2 zeros, 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45 plus 4, 49, 5 ones are 5 plus, so 99,500, that is the answer. Okay, is it clear why you did this? Just to find the number of terms. So number of terms you got to be 995. So now number of terms you get to be 199, and that you apply it there and use the formula and you work out, you get it as 99,500. Okay, now we will pass on to next question. Sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 36 and the product is 1620. This is a very tricky question. Find the AP. 3 terms they are telling, don't know which you have to take. So this is a very clever question. So we will answer in a very peculiar way. Let the first 3 terms be A minus B, A and A plus D. But you must note that common difference is same. Here common difference between the minus D and this is minus D again. So 3 terms they are telling, let the first 3 terms be A minus D, A and D. So they are asking, they are given sum. So sum of the 3 terms, first one is A minus D, second is A, third is A plus D. How much you get? So you get 3A. 3A is equal to 36 or A is equal to 36 by 3. Now product is given to be 1620. So you must get the product now. First number is A minus D, second is A, third is A plus D, product. How to get product? Product can be got by multiplying these three terms, and if you multiply, what do you get? See here, we will take A outside. This is the formula, A plus B into A minus B. A squared minus D squared is equal to 1620. What is the value of A? A is found to be 12. So 12 into A squared minus D squared is equal to 1620. So you have A squared minus D squared is equal to 1620 by 12. You will get it as how much? 12 ones are 12, 42, 12 3s are 36, 135. In that, value of A is given 12. So 12 square minus D square is 135. So D square is equal to 12 square is 144 minus 135, that is 9. Therefore, D will be equal to plus or minus 3. Please note, it's plus or minus because plus 3 into plus 3 is also 9, minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9. Therefore, when you say D square is equal to 9, the root of 9 will be plus or minus 3. That you have to use it. So, what you are getting D as plus or minus 3, that you have to apply it there, and after that you have to, they are asking about terms, find the product and find the AP. So, AP will be, so you are given with D now, we got the D, noted all these things, okay. So, D is got, A is got, using this you must write, therefore, AP arithmetic progression is, first term is 12, first term is 12, if A is 12, 12 minus D, D is how much? We will take positive value first, 12 minus 3, and A means 12, and A plus D, A is 12 plus D, 12 plus 3. So, it can be 9, 12 and 15, that is one answer. Second answer is, suppose you take minus 3 as a value, then AP will also be, it is also, AP is also equal to, if you take minus 3, so 12 minus of minus 3, take it down or following. So, minus 3 if you are taking, minus of minus 3 you must take, another one is 12 only, another one is A plus D, D you are taking as minus 3. So, this is 15, this is 12, this is 9. So, these are the two answers. It can be 9, 12, 15 or 15, 12, 9. Difference is same, please note. Difference is same and value of A should be same, and all that we got value of A should be equal. Is it alright? Shall we go to next sum? Very nice. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. You know integers 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. You must take only positive. So you don't know the number. So 1, 2, 3, of course up to 1000, that is S. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because first number is known, last number is known. Just apply it, you will get the answer. So Sn equal to means S1000 is equal to 1000 by 2 into 1 plus 1000. 1000 because last term is 1000. Here, that you must write here. Here A is equal to 1. Then L is equal to 1000, last one. Then N is equal to also equal to 1000, because they are given that 1000 positive integers. So if you simplify, 2 1s are 2 500s are into 1 plus 1000, that will be equal to how much? 500 into 1001. Is it alright? So you have 5 1s are 5, 5 0 into 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5. So it will be 5,500,000. You can try if you want, you can just go on adding 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You get the answer as 5,500,000. So you must write it as sum of, answer is very important, sum of first 1000 what? Positive integers. Positive integers means whole numbers, not fractions, is equal to 5,500,000. Got the answer? Very nice. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 ... must be taken so that the sum is 78? A sum is given, they are asking n, number of terms. So A is given to be 24, D is given to be common difference, second term minus first term, A2 minus A1, that is minus 3. Sn is equal to 78. What is n they are asking? As usual, very famous formula, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It apply. And then what is Sn? 78. N by 2 into 2 into a. A is 24, first number. N minus 1 don't know, n we don't know, into d. D is common difference, minus 3. So if we apply it, so we will do one thing, bring this to this side. 2 8s are, 2 8s are how much? 16. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 156 is equal to n into 48 minus 3n, 3 1s are 3 plus 3n plus 3. Is it alright? Okay. So if you remove bracket, this is 48n, 48 plus 3, you make it once for all. How much it is? 50. 51n. 51 n it becomes, and n into n becomes 3n square is equal to 156. So bring this side, everything this side. So standard form, that is called, plus becomes minus, plus 156 is equal to 0. That is called standard form of the equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose you divide by 3, n square, this is 17n this is 52 is equal to 0. But find out factors of 52. On multiplication you should get 52, on addition you must get 17. Come on, what are the factors? 13 and 4, 13 4s are 52, correct? Okay, so 13 and 4. So you have n squared minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. Take common n outside, n minus 13, 4 outside, n minus 13 is equal to 0. Are you taking it down? Don't forget. Come on. You should be faster than me. You must tell, what sir is so simple, I can work out. So you have two values, one is called 13 or 4. If n minus 13 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 13. If n minus 4 is equal to 0, n is equal to 4, you get. So number of terms will be equal to 13. So you must take 13 terms to get the answer. So here once again I will tell you, you are asked to, we know that Sn is equal to, here A is equal to 24 into 2, 48, right? N minus 1, n is how much? Don't know, right, as it is, into D, D means common difference, minus 3, right? So you have 78 into 2, dot this side, 156 is equal to n into 48 minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3. So you have 48 plus 1, you add it, you get 51n minus 3. So 51n, n into 3n, 3n square. So bring this in the left side, you get 3n squared minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. So divide 3 by 3, you get the answer. So, and you substitute there 17, 13 4s are. So 52, I think you know how to do it, factors. That's how you do it, na? So n squared minus 13n minus 4n plus 52. Take n outside, here 4 outside, n minus 13 into n minus 4 is equal to 0, n is equal to 13 or 4. Now you have to get 78. So 4 is the correct answer because 78 comes with the n equal to 4. So we will take it n as equal to 4. So sum of the terms is equal to 4 or 13. Any one you can take. Okay. So shall we pass on next question? Very happy. Now we will have a small mental exercise. I know some of you might not have understood anything. Some have understood something, some have understood everything, but there are some who have not understood anything because they have not done any homework. For them this is a small change, okay. The question is, complete the following series, means there is question mark, you have to complete it. So 1 3 5 dash 9, what is that 9 dash? Anybody? What kind of numbers are they? Can you make out? Yeah, it is odd numbers. So if they are odd numbers and the 7 is missing, so answer is 7. Second question. See, what are these numbers? 1, 4, 16, 55 and all. They are square numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square is missing. Is it not? And coming to third one. Come on, anybody? Little challenge is there. You have studied in 8th class that about cube numbers. This is 10 cube, 9 cube, this is 7 cube, 6 cube, but 8 cube is missing. So 8 into 8 into 8, how much it becomes? For you 12. Last one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Is it in AP or not? Answer is, that is not in AP, because common difference is not the same. It is not common. Okay. This is very simple one, because such questions will come for your competitive exams. So for a training we have given one sample for you. I hope you enjoy it. Like that you can have so many thousands of questions. This is one out of the way, but it will be helpful for you, right? Now we will see what Baba says. It is in the depth of silence, voice of God can be heard. So if you want to get the voice of God, you have to be silent. Of course, teachers cannot be silent. If you become silent means a lesson will not take place. He has to talk, but need not talk much. You students can control talking, and you must see within. Okay, here Baba says he has closed his eyes. He is looking at himself. He says, I know I am God. I have come to show you that you are also God. Okay, shall we go to the homework now? Okay, we have got two simple questions. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the following. So n is equal to 15, a is given, d is given. Find the sum. So simple. Sum of 3 consecutive terms of AP is 21, their product is 231. Find the 3 terms. As you have done already, like that you do. Come prepared. Okay, thank you.